Hi everybody, Al from EGW here. We've had a handful of customers run into issues when installing our Prodigy Magwell on the gun, and I found a couple tricks on installation here. We'll give that a shot, and maybe this will help you out when you run into installation issues. So I already checked to make sure the gun is unloaded. I'm holding it with my left hand and it's pointed behind me. It's a little bit of an angle here. And then I'm gonna take the Magwell and press it down with my right hand, and I'm gonna keep applying this pressure going down as I'm sliding the Magwell on and into place. Once again, we'll do that again. Get it started lined up. I'm keeping pressure on the grip module and against the Magwell, and then I just slide it right into place. This seems to be the best and most efficient way to get the Magwell on and started. So if you're running into issues, try it this way, and then it should slide on there.